Hello, and welcome to another tutorial where we'll guide you through the ins and outs of our dashboard module in Perspective VMS. In this video, our focus is on understanding and configuring the widgets in the dashboard module. This video will kick off by exploring event widgets and demonstrating how to effortlessly configure them to achieve this particular view. Event widgets are essential for monitoring system events and are divided into four forms: list, chart, statistical, and count widgets. These widgets share a common set of configurable fields, with slight variations in some of them. First up is the list widget. As you can see, this widget presents events in a table format, showing its title and a list of the events ordered from the latest to the oldest events. For the configurable settings, firstly, there is the title where you can give the widget an informative name that is shown at the header of the widgets. Next, choose the event type such as camera events, device events, or analytic rules. Specify the event source, which is the device in this case, then the specific event you're interested in, and set the minimum severity level. Choosing high will exclude low and medium severity events. Only high severity events appear in the widget. Change it to medium and hit apply. High and medium severity events appear. Change it to low and hit apply. High, medium, and low severity events appear. Following this, you'll find filter type, enabling you to refine results based on specific durations, which includes options like today, yesterday, this week, which includes events from the start of the current week based on Windows start of the week. For the option past days, selecting this choice will reveal an additional field where you can input the number of days from today. Let's choose 5 and hit apply. All events from the past 5 days appear in the widget. And for event count, this option will also reveal an additional field where you can determine the number of events that the system will query within the previously selected event. Set the filter value to 10. Now you'll see the top 10 events in the widget. After selecting the filter type, set the start and end time. By default, these are selected from the start till the end of the day, but you can adjust that for the time range needed. To observe events occurring after working hours, set the start time to the end of the workday and hit apply. For events within working hours, align the start and end times with the start and end of work. Then hit update. Now you'll see a neatly organized tabular list of all events from the chosen device, with the title, severity, and time range you added. Moving on to the chart widget. It helps visualize events and their proportions. For configuration settings, firstly, we have all the common settings. Addition to that, there's group by, allowing you to organize results based on your primary areas of interest, with options like event, source, and control list. Here it is grouped by events. As a result, you'll observe one bar chart showcasing the total number of events selected from different sources. Let's assume you want to compare events from different sources. Change the grouping option to source and apply the changes. The chart will dynamically update to display 2 bars. Each represents the number of events from distinct sources. The chart widget offers 2 chart types: bar chart, which is used here, and donut chart. Let's choose donut and hit update. Now on the screen, you'll see a clear presentation of the event count from 2 different sources in the form of a donut chart. Let's explore the count widget. This widget is designed to showcase the total number of events matching your filters. Here you can see the count of the events within a specific control list. Firstly, we have all the common settings. Then for group by field, control list is chosen, which reveals a new field, where you can specify the particular list you're interested in. Set the rest of the fields. Then there is the extra label field where you can add a label for the widget for more clarity and hit update. Now on your screen, you'll observe the count of events associated with restricted control list from today, with a label to indicate what this count refers to. Finally, the statistical widget, which visualizes event trends, most used to identify peak hours or days. For configuration settings, firstly, we have all the common settings. Addition to that, there's value grouping, providing 2 options, hourly and daily. When choosing hourly, events will be categorized by hours throughout the past days, providing a count of events for each hour regardless of the specific day. However, if you switch to daily for the value grouping, then hit apply. The statistical widget will display events divided by each day of the week. The statistical widget also offers two chart types: area chart, which is used here, and line chart. Let's choose line and hit update. Now, you'll see a visual representation, indicating that the peak of events in the past 7 days occurred on the 2nd and 4th of January. And that's a wrap for the event widgets. In the next segment, we'll dive into the monitoring widgets, exploring their functionalities and customization options step by step.